FirstEnergy relies on customers to contact the company when they see that a streetlight is out. It's a critical step in our efforts to make timely repairs. I'm Hannah Catlett with FirstEnergy. Across our service territory, municipalities and communities use several different methods to report streetlight outages in their area, including encouraging residents to report outages. Here are the best ways to report a streetlight outage. Call us at 1-888-LIGHTS and say streetlight after the greeting. Or you can report the issue on our website. When reporting an outage, you'll need to let us know these things: your name and phone number, in case we need more information, the address where the streetlight is located. For this, you can use the address of the nearest house or business and the closest cross street. It also helps if you can provide the number on the utility pole if there is one. And finally, we'll ask what's wrong with the streetlight. Is it a damaged pole, broken light fixture? Is the light off at night or on during the day? Or does it flicker? When a customer report comes in, our utility line crews and troubleshooters are responsible for making streetlight repairs as quickly as possible.